Welcome back to Planet Crafter. This is episode 2, and I think today the goal is just going to be to reach our first terraformation milestone, which is a blue sky. Got to reach 17.5 KTI or 175 KTI. So, got a bit of a ways to go, but we'll see if we can get that today. I think the first thing we'll need to do though is just get a few upgrades going. So. Maybe a few more heaters, a few more planters, and a few more drills as well, just to keep our pressure going. So, that'll be the first course of action, I think. So we need. Do we even have any seeds? No. Okay. Gonna make some more veg tubes to start with, based on these, and then I'll go for heaters and then pressure. Just collect a bunch of ice. I'm wondering if we maybe go explore that ship over there, see if we can get some upgrades in there. See how we get along with upgrades, and then we'll go over there. Just cutting back quickly, we've run into our first few sets of problems, which is of course power, rollout. So I think I need to add a couple more solar panels. So I've just gone and collected some resources to build them. And then the second problem is I don't have enough seeds for the planters. So we're gonna have to go and find some more of them. So I'm gonna build up the power, and then we're gonna go over to there, see if we can find any. First, let's just put some more solar panels down. Don't think they really need to be on the platform. We're back online. I'll see how much power we've got left over. So we might have used it all. Okay, I've got 25 kilowatts available. Just unlocked a new drill. So, do that later. We'll take some oxygen with us, I reckon. Should be able to craft another. Go over now. Let's see what we can find really. I'm hoping we can find some with modifiers really, like even for the ones that already have seeds, because if we get 4 with like 400%, then we'll be making a lot more progress a lot quicker. So we'll just have to see what we find. But I don't want to like travel too far because I might not make it back, which would be pretty useless. Another thing I know is that you can deconstruct these, but you need a different chip to get there. We'll just take the jackpot. We've got some seeds for the next bit. And looks like we've got some new clothes as well. And food seeds. Let's go with fabric. I'll leave them for now. I'll leave that as well until we get better storage. And then these are the chips where you can unlock like unique things that you can't unlock through terraformation. So we'll see what we get from that later. We'll head further in. Looks like we're running out of storage pretty fast though, so I might have to head back soon just to ditch some parts. We've got some super alloy there as well. It's good. I think for now I'm gonna head back with what we've got, and then I'll come back and grab like the heater, because then I can have an extra run basically for free. And I'll probably keep coming back and forth to get the different resources. See what we can get. I think that was a good run to start with. What I'll do is I'll put the seeds in and then start building up my heaters, and then we'll move on to our tier 3. Tier 3. Oh, tier 3 drills might be a bit too hard to make at the moment. But just depends really. Did these need one? No. So it's basically the same as the tier 2, but just needs an extra iron and 2 aluminium. So it's a bit more expensive, but it'll have to do for now, won't it? I think let's have a look at what we unlock through the chips. Agility boots, that's good. And mining speed. They're actually quite good to be fair. Can I craft them in here? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade them instead of... Because if I get this instead of thingy, we can move a little bit faster. It also means that we might save ourselves a bit more. Reduce mining speed as well. We've got a nice bit of plants or oxygen. Next thing we realistically need is heat to get the biodome. Oxygen will get us the veg tube, but that's not really an issue. I should make a food grower, but I've just made the upgrade, so I'll have to look for that. What I'll do now then is I'll go back to the ship and just basically start upgrading my heaters so that we can reach the blue sky a bit faster. So we've got stuff for a tier 2 heater. I'll take them as well, because then we can make a food grower now as well. Yeah, we just need a water bottle. So I'll take them, because they'll probably be useful later on, whether I'm building new things or just adding on to. old stuff as well, just see what happens, you know. I don't think the spacesuits are important right now, so I'll just leave them behind. Be careful around them, they look a bit dangerous. Goodness me. You get stuck on like everything in here. Horrible. I think it's everything we can get from in there. Got a heater. If I get iron, water bottle, and we should have enough to build just a food grower. We'll put the beans in. Beans. I think they grow the quickest, maybe. Does take a lot of power though. Oh well, we can just upgrade more, can't we? Wrong button. Oopsie daisy. So I need more iridium. So if I go and get just a stockpile of iridium, then we could do that. And then I'll upgrade my drills next. It's quite a tedious game to start with, you know. Like, you just constantly going and scavenging for stuff. And then later on it's a bit better. So everything just sort of comes. Especially once you get your miners, because then once you start mining, it's just so much easier. Because you can just leave everything for a while and then just come back maybe 5-10 minutes later and you've basically got everything you need. Need 3 silicon, 3 titanium, got 3 iron. I need that. Okay, so I need 1, 2, 3. So we got that. Actually, 2 more silicon and 3 titanium. Okay, so I've just placed down the extra 3 heaters. They're a bit packed, so I can't actually reach the back of them now. But it's taking up too much power again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna collect everything I need to make the tier 2 solar panels, build them up, and then I'll cut back to when that's all sorted, and then we can carry on upgrading. But I won't build them until I've got everything. Otherwise, the terraformation index will keep going up. So I'm gonna build a little storage locker next to the crafter here. Put all the resources in I need to get them, which is aluminium, cobalt, magnesium. I'm gonna try and build 10 of the solar panels, which will mean I can get rid of the turbines and yada yada yada. That's the plan anyway. So I'll cut back to you when I've got all the resources for it. See you in a minute. Okay, so I've gathered all the silicon now. And I realised that my mic was muted for a while, so I'll just have to fix that later, which is a bit annoying. But well, what we're going to do now then is just reconstruct these. And put the rest of the ice away. Should be enough for 3 of them. Do these need to go outside or inside? Outside. Okay. We'll make another 2 of them. Drop the ice off. And collect 1, 2, 3, and there's 3 aluminium. And there's just 2 left after that. And then it's just the heaters to upgrade. Which will be easy enough. And then I guess we'll have to find out what we're doing with this room. So we've got a bit more space. Could maybe use it for the other heaters and then we can all keep them a little bit compact, or make it into a bit of a storage bit. Oh, I need the aluminium, obviously. 1, 2. There you go. Now I just need to put all the plants in. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're moving rather rapidly. We just want to upgrade now. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I need to get more. Need 8 aluminium. 8 titanium even. Yeah. Shouldn't be too hard. And then 1, 2, 2. Then we should just be cruising through the upgrades. Yeah. Now I should be able to just make another 1. 2. 3, and 4. Okay. And now we are about to hit the blue sky milestone. And boom. We've got the blue sky. And we're still moving rather quickly. So what do I need to hit next for that milestone? I'm not actually sure, because it could be... It might honestly be 875 KTI. I don't know. We will figure that out together later. Tier 3 heater though, which is good. But with that being said, I think that might be where we leave this episode. I mean, we've got new heaters, we've got new drills, we're progressing really fast. Tier 3 planters, new power, which I'll see how that is doing actually. Yeah, so we've got quite a good bit of power going. Nearly finished the oxygen one, maybe, but next will be the heaters, won't it? So I think in the next episode we are going to upgrade our heaters and our base so that we actually have a good living situation. So I will work towards that for next time. Anyway, see you all later.